Hello?
Hello, can you hear me?
Yes, yes.
So yesterday's class we learned um, SQL queries. Today's class, what we will do, we will make a communication with the MySQL using Python program. Are you clear?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes. So initially, to access my database, I should turn on this MySQL. Are you clear? Next one.
Yeah.
How can I see my database? Go for browser, and when I type local host, I can see my server. From this, I am going to open PHP myadmin, which is the MySQL database, and we can perform this all using the user interface. Are you clear? Yes. So Santosh, yesterday we have created. What did we created yesterday? Online.
Yes.
So online, we have created two tables. If I want to create another table, can you see create new table?
Yes.
Yes. And here I am going to write student 3. So means today's class we will go for I will tell you how to create using user interface and student 3, and how many columns you want to create, that you have to mention. If in case after giving these 3, if you need one more, you can create at the time of preparing the table. Okay, I have created. When I click on create, what happens? It will give you a form. Are you clear? So here, student 3, student name I have to give. Otherwise, simply I am writing name. What type of name generally? Varchar or not? Yes, varchar column structures. Okay, structure means yesterday I used DESC command. Did you remember? Description. Okay, that description and the structure both are similar. And the second column, I want to maintain the rule number belonging to integer. And I want to store the contact number. To store the contact number, I will go for big integer. So numeric, from this big int I can select. And while using varchar, you have to mention how much length you need to take. So I have given 50. So your length should be either less than or equal to the 50. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Next, if you need one more column, then can you see add one column? Yes. When I hit enter, so you can see another form. So here I am using address, which is belonging to varchar, and I am going to hold 100 characters of length. And when it is numeric type, you need not to give any length. And I will take another one, student date of birth. So again, I click on this one, and I have used DOB, and I am going to take a data type. Data type. Okay, it has created. Next, what yesterday I used one primary key or not? Okay, so coming to here, attribute null. So there is no primary key, but I will, after creating this table, I will assign primary key. Can you see save button? Yes, when I click on save, you can see the student 3 at this location, and this is the structure. Are you clear? Yes. From this, which column you want to make a primary key, that column you have to select at this place. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
And what is the thing you want to be applied, and click on that one. I need to make that rule number is a primary key or not.
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, just I click on primary key. Then what happened? It will become primary key. Can you see key symbol?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes, which means this attribute is the, or this column is the
Primary.
primary key column. What is the additional benefit you get when make it as primary key? We cannot
We cannot
we
keep
cannot
it
give
null.
duplicate value, and I cannot give null value.
Null.
What if when I use it as unique key?
You cannot give duplicate, but you can keep null.
You can keep null, right? So is it clear?
Yes.
Next, I need to give input to this file or not, this
Yes.
table or not,
Yes.
right?
Yes.
So can you see insert button?
Yeah.
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 Yeah. When I click on insert, another form will be appear. Just a form filling like that. Name, Niharika. Next rule number 500. Next contact number 98765432110, and address Hyderabad. Okay, and date of birth. Some today's date I am giving. Yesterday she born, like that. And I'm going to click on go. Then what happened? This record will be inserted. So did you remember this query?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So how it has created? Automatically it has created. And can you see one message like a record inserted successfully or not?
Yes.
Okay. So this record is inserted. And when I click on the student tree, you can see the record which you have inserted. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Next, if I want to update, so from Hyderabad to some other address I want to give, then what will you do? Just double click it here and you can edit.
Okay.
Are you clear? So
Yes.
here, can you see update query?
Yes.
Okay, did I write this one? No, it automatically
No.
created. Are you clear? So
Yes.
using interface, I can perform all the operation or not. Next, I want to delete this record. Just click on this delete. That's it. If it
Okay.
contain
Okay.
multiple and you want to delete multiple, select all the rows which you want to be delete, click on delete.
Okay.
So when I click on delete, that record is deleted. Can you see the message query? Delete from
Yes.
student 3, where student
Yes.
3 dot rule number equal to 500. That's it. So how simple.
Mm.
And let us see, when I click on S, then only it will delete. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So it is taking confirmation. Yes, when I click on S, so can you see return empty set, and no records were found at this place. Select star from student 3. Are you
Yeah.
clear?
Yes.
Next, what is the data you have prepared? If you want to create an Excel sheet, just you simply click on this export. Are you clear?
Okay.
When you click on export, it will ask you
Yeah.
which type of format you are expecting. Okay, so SQL table you can create, CSV for MS Excel, JSON object, LaTeX, Microsoft Word, PDF, PHP array, SQL, like that you can create depending on your requirement.
Okay.
Are you clear? These are the different
Yes.
Yes.
format. Okay, just select a CSV, and when you click on export, you can see the data. So can you see CSV file? But as of now,
Yes.
this one is empty. And
Empty.
when I click on this one, this Excel sheet will be appear. So can you see name, rule number, contact address, date of birth?
Yes.
Yes, it's very simple. Are you clear?
Yes.
So here, mm, while you are learning Power BI. So this is one of the technique from this. Directly, how can I open this one? Do you know Power BI?
I mean, we
Data
heard, but
analytics tool.
yeah,
Huh?
okay,
This is data
No.
analytics. Those who become a data scientist, they use Power BI. This one.
okay,
It is also similar to looks like Excel, but multiple additional features are integrated to this one to get the good data visualizations, which is
okay,
also the vendor of this Power BI also Microsoft.
okay,
Okay, right. If you learn this one, the minimum package of an employee starts from 8 lakhs per year. Minimum
okay,
package. Are you clear?
yeah,
Yes. Um, now, what is our job? Here, 1 minute, right. Yesterday, did we learn database or not? Usually,
Yes.
we are representing databases with this notation. Which
Okay.
database we have used MySQL database? Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes. And actually, what you are learning? Python programming. Are you clear?
Yeah.
This is Python program. This is database. Are they present at same location or these two are two different platforms? These two are two different platforms. Am I
Different
right?
platforms. Yes.
Yes. So what is my job? Initially, I need to communicate. Our job, we need to make a communication between my Python program and MySQL. Are you clear?
okay,
Yes. So to make a communication between these two, you need one module that is MySQL dot connector module. Are you clear?
okay,
Yes. In your system, if you type import MySQL dot connector, it will return error. Are you clear?
okay,
You can find what is that module not found, that error will be appear. But when I write this import, it will work in my system because I have installed earlier. This one I have installed earlier, so I won't get any kind of problem. But when you write import MySQL connector, you will get a problem like module not found. So what will you do? You need to install this module. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes. How can I install? Already you know. Exclamatory mark, pip install. Did you remember this?
yes,
Pip install followed by MySQL
package name,
dot connector. Okay. You type
okay,
this one, then you can see the installation process will start and all the required files will be imported from to your system. Okay.
okay,
Right. Mm, right here, just see here, import mysql dot connector. Very good. It is not present. Are you clear?
okay,
Yeah.
yes,
Yes. Then what I do? Exclamatory people
install,
install
Install.
mysql dot.
Connector.
Are you clear?
Yes.
okay,
Right. When I hit enter, yes, it is installing now. So did you understand? Yeah, is it available with us directly?
No, no.
No. Now I am going to install this, import this one. Import MySQL dot connector. So am I facing any error?
No.
No. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes.
Is
So
that
even
exclamatory pip uh compulsory? I mean, in Jupyter Notebook, we only use pip install, right?
Jupyter Notebook,
We only use
no,
pip
even
install.
you have to write exclamatory mark, might be. Otherwise, you use Conda, Conda. When it is
Yeah.
Jupyter, you type Conda install and
Five.
mysql.connector.
Okay.
Are you using what is that? Jupyter Notebook?
I have used earlier. I only use
Okay,
pip install Cbon, pip install
okay,
different packages,
okay,
but not
okay,
never
okay.
exclamatory.
But here it is see, when I type directly pip install something, it will give you an error,
Okay.
invalid syntax. But when I put
Okay.
exclamatory, you won't get any kind of problem because
Okay.
Python, this what is that? Tony is expecting that exclamatory mark.
Okay.
Are you clear? It is
Okay.
the
Okay.
syntax for platform to platform, it will change. But in Tony, you have to write exclamatory mark.
Okay.
Okay, right.
Okay.
Um, right. So now, did you understand what is the first requirement you need?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes,
Install
and
MySQL.
that related thing also I have installed. Now I won't get any kind of problem. Now our first job is we need to make a communication with the MySQL or not.
Yes.
Yes.
First, I need to establish the connection. If I establish the connection, from this, I can execute the queries in this platform. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yes or no? You need work in India and you are in US. So first you need to make a call to your brother or not?
Yes.
Yes. If connection established, you convey what you are expecting. If connection cannot establish, so is that request will go to your brother?
No.
No. So first I need to establish a connection. So to establish a connection, we need a connect function. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Okay.
Connect
Okay.
function. This connect function is expecting 4 arguments. Are you clear?
Okay.
Are you
For
clear?
all.
It is
Yes.
expecting 4 arguments. The first argument is where your MySQL is present. That is called as a host. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes, host. So generally, where did you install this one? In your system or accessing from cloud platform?
In
It is
my
present
system.
in our system only or not? Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
when something
Localhost.
already present in your system, you can type local host.
Localhost.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Next, second one. To log in to MySQL, you should need credentials of that one. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So user. What is the user of MySQL you are using? What is the user I said yesterday?
Root.
Root. Did you if you want to open with the command, I have given like this mysql dot
Root.
exe hyphen u. Did you remember?
Yes.
Yes. Root
Password as root. So
hyphen
this
p.
root I am given. Next third one, did I give hyphen p or not?
Yes.
Followed
Yes.
No
by
password.
hyphen p, I should give the password. But I did
Yeah.
not give any password. So that password you have to give with the um, argument and just I am turning on and closing this double quotes. Okay. Next
Okay.
one, fourth one. So when you connect to MySQL, which contain multiple databases, am I right or not?
Yes.
Yes. If you want to connect with any one of the database, we used use followed by database name. Am I right or not?
Yeah.
Did you remember? So by
Yes.
default, MySQL, you can see square and none. Are you clear? When you write
Yes.
use followed by a database name, then actually MariaDB we have seen. MariaDB and followed by which database name you have given that database it has connected. Did you remember?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This use become the fourth argument, that is the database. Are you clear?
Okay.
Followed by which database you want to connect, that you have to give. Is it
Okay.
clear?
Yeah.
This
Yes.
step. You need to supply these four arguments to this connect function. Okay. So I am writing my program import mysql.connector. Okay. Using this one, I want to communicate. So which function you need to make a communication between this Python and MySQL? Connect function.
Like,
Connect.
But this connect function belonging to this module. So what can I do? I have to write module name prefix of this one or not?
yes.
How can I avoid this kind of writing?
Import star from MySQL connector or import,
From not from
yeah, from
from MySQL dot
MySQL.connect
connector
import
import
star.
star. When I use
Yeah.
this kind of syntax, I need not to write anything prefix of this connect. Are you clear?
Yes.
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 Yes. So what are the arguments I need to supply? Four arguments. First one, host and local host. Tell me what type of arguments I am supplying. I supply like this. I said one type of argument, this one, key value arguments.
Yeah, yeah. Key value.
So in this case, you should need to give that all values in order. No need. Okay.
Okay.
User equal to
Root.
Root.
root and password equal to
Blank.
nothing. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Nothing. Okay. Now my job, I need to create a database. Are you clear? If I create
Okay.
a database, I am going to use that database. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes. Now what happened? I have logged into MySQL, but I did not enter into any MySQL. Are you clear? Means
Yeah.
right now where how my uh, now I am at this position. Are you clear?
Yes.
MariaDB in brackets none. Right now I am at this position. Next I am going to create my own database. Are you clear? Right. When
Yes.
everything is good, then it is going to give connection object. Okay. What it written? What is the connection which was established? It is going to be written. Are you clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes. Next, I am going to print whether connection object is created or not.
Okay.
When I run, what happened? MySQL connector.
No attribute.
Which module MySQL connector has? Attribute error. Which attribute error? local host, local host, user, root, password, nothing. What is the problem here?
Mm.
Wait, I will write normal import method. Import mysql dot connector, mysql dot connector dot connect. Can I see?
Yes.
I don't know what
Yeah.
is the problem it has faced, but is it working or not? Yes.
Yeah.
Yeah.
And when it is connected, and we can see the connection object. Are you clear? Means this was successful. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Right.
Okay.
When it is successful, then you have to write one query at here. That query should be executed at this end. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
If your work want to be done at in India, you need one assistant at this place or not.
Yes.
You have to submit one form in one university in India. But right now you are in US. Then what will you do? First, immediately you will call to your parent and ask him to submit in that organization or not.
Yes.
Yes. So you need one assistant at here to complete your work.
Okay.
So this assistant, we are calling it as a cursor. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Okay.
Yes. Yes.
Yes, cursor is an object. This object can execute the queries which are passed from the Python program. Are you clear? Are you clear?
Yeah.
Hello?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. Yes.
So what is my job? What is the connection it was established? For this connection, you are going to create a cursor. So for connection object, you are creating a cursor. Are you clear? What does this cursor do? It execute the queries passed from Python to MySQL. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes. So what is the cursor you have executed? We are calling this one as a my cursor. Are you clear? So
Yeah.
Yes.
you are creating one assistant at this end. So he is your assistant or not? నీ వర్క్ మీ
Yeah.
బ్రదర్ నీ వర్క్ చేస్తాడు కానీ ఇంకెవరిదన్నా వర్క్ ఫోన్ చేసి నాది సబ్మిట్ చేయంటే చేస్తాడా?
No.
No. So he is your assistant, means your object. So this object is created. Next, what can I do? I can supply the query to this my cursor or not?
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes.
Yes.
What is my first job? I need to create one database or not? I need to create
Yes.
one database or not?
Yes.
Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes. May I know what is the query you have used to execute the create a new database? Create
Create database.
database
Database.
followed
Space
by
database
new
name.
database name. Online 2 I am creating. Database followed by online 2. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Yes.
This query you have to execute. So I am going to create this one as the SQL query. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Who want to execute this SQL query? Your cursor or not?
Yes.
Yes or
Yes.
no? Yes. So you need to convey to your my cursor. My cursor, my cursor. please execute the query which I am giving.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. execu. Are you clear? Yes.
Yes.
Then he will create, and just here I am not. I am just simply printing uh, database created successfully. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yeah.
How could I know whether it has created or not? I will check from this end. Can you see online 2 at here? Can you see online 2 at this place?
No.
No.
No. So I am going to execute this one. When I run, can you see database created successfully?
Yes. Yes.
Yes. Just I will go and reload this one. Can I see online 2?
Yes.
Yes or no? How did
Yes.
I
Yes.
create it? Did I use any user interface? No. Did I
No.
use any SQL, directly MySQL? No. Using
No.
Python program, I have executed. Yes or no?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. I have created, but am I using this one?
No.
No. So how can I use? I need to pass this database which you have created as a fourth argument. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yes. The same program I am going to execute one more time. What happens? Let us see. What it is showing? What is the message it has reported? Let me know.
Can't create
Cannot create
database.
database to online to because
Database
this
already
database
exists.
is existed. So can I see database created successfully message?
Yes.
Yes.
No,
No. No.
I
No.
mean, no.
because exception raised. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Is this raise the exception?
Yes.
Yes. So I need to handle the exception. Are you clear? Yes. We
Okay.
can go for normal try and accept, and you can write your own thing. But basic program, are you clear? Or
Yes.
yes, this is the program for creating a new database. Clear?
Yes.
Yes. Once a database is clear, what you did immediately? Did you create one table in the database or not?
Yes.
But before that, you have performed use operation. Are you clear? See here,
Yeah.
uh, when I go for the, when before going to this one, so right now where you are available at this location. Are you clear? Yes.
Yes.
From this location to, if you want to move into the another database, just you have to click on this one. What do you see at here? In local host, can you see database or not? This is called use online tool. Are you clear?
Okay. Yeah.
So when you click on this one, you entered into the database, but in the query language, we have used use online tool. Okay, but there is no what is that facility of use keyword. Instead of that, the fourth argument I am supplying, that is the database name. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yes.
Yes. So for that, I will write everything. Create a new database in online to, not a database. What I'm doing, creating a new table in online to database. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes. And how can I do? So here, what is the module we need? Import MySQL dot
Connector.
connector. Very good. Next, what I do? I need to make a communication between the Python program and MySQL or not?
Connect.
Yeah. Connect object. First
Connect
click
the
on object
object equal to
equal to MySQL dot connector
connector dot,
dot connect
and how many arguments I need to supply?
4.
4. First. Actually, basically
Four.
3, but among that, if you want to
Three.
use particular database, that 4th argument. Host,
Yes.
local,
Localhost.
User
User.
user,
root
root.
Password. No password.
no password.
Next, database.
Database
Which database I am using?
online to
I have created. Next, what I need? Connection is established. Once connection is established, to do your work at MySQL, what do you need?
Create.
cursor.
Cursor.
So con object dot cursor.
Cursor.
Whose cursor it is? Your cursor or not?
Yes.
Yes.
So that I am writing my cursor. Sir, compulsory my cursor Ryan no need. You can write
No need.
Santosh, you can write Bharat, you can write Niharika, you can write Chandra. Nothing problem fixed. But for better understand, I am going for common terminology. Are you clear? Right.
Yes.
Next, I need to before supplying query, I need to write the query or not?
Yes.
Query, SQL query. Sir, should I write another variable and can I supply to the my cursor? No need. Directly you can write a query in execute method itself. Are you clear? But
Yes.
for
Yes.
easy understanding, I am writing separate line. So SQL, how can I create a new table? Create.
Create
Now I will prepare employee table. Yesterday we
table.
practiced with the student. Create followed by
Table.
table, followed
Table
by
name.
table name, employee, and I need to open parenthesis. What is the
Column.
first column we are expecting?
Column
Employee
name.
ID.
Okay.
Column name is employee ID.
Type.
Which type employee ID belonging to which type we will take?
Int.
Integer. I am writing. Okay, you can write integer, full integer. But can I
Okay.
can I allow duplicate values at here?
Primary
Can I
key.
give
Primary key. You should.
primary key? So primary followed by key. Are you clear? Next one.
Yes.
Employee name.
Employee name. Which type it is?
Varchar.
Varchar. In our Python, we call this one as a string.
Okay.
So 25 characters length name I am taking. Next one. So do I need to give primary key? And
No.
you can't give two primary keys like this. Are you clear? One table
Yes.
should have only one primary key. Okay.
Okay.
Next one. But you can write multiple unique keys.
Okay.
Okay. Employee name I have taken. Next one, employee contact number. Okay. So this is belonging to big integer because I can't hold 10-digit character, 10-digit name in integer number. Are you clear?
Yes.
So next one, I will go for date of joining. Date of joining belonging to which type?
Date and time.
Date type. Is it enough? One integer came, one character came, one big int came, one date came. For float, you can go for salary. Are you clear?
Okay.
Yes, completed. Next, I have prepared SQL query. Are you clear? Next, what can I do? I can give this query to To whom I need to give this query?
Uh, to SQL server.
Not, yes, I can send to the SQL, my SQL. But who
Connect.
can execute that my query?
My cursor.
My cursor. So my cursor contain execute method. This method can execute, okay, which query you write it here. So instead of
SQL.
writing this entire query in this as a argument, I have separately created variable and I am supplying. Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Right. What can I do if everything is good? Can I print table created successfully or not?
Yes.
Yes.
What if I will give old name? I am creating a table, but the table name is already available. What it conveys? The same kind of error will be reported. Cannot create a table, so employ because table exists. Okay, we will do that one also. Can I run this code?
Yes.
Yes. I did mistake. So what is this? I cannot run this line. Table created successfully or not?
Yes.
I will go and test this one. How can I test? When I click on this
Online.
one, is it created or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay. Next one. So here I am going to tell you one more operation, commit operation, but will show you what is exactly role. Next, once table is created, what is my next job?
Add values in the columns.
Add values into the columns. Into the means I want to write one record.
Yes.
So I will write this as here I am executing the same thing one more time. What it is showing? Table employee already exists. So when a table is already available, can I create another table with the same name?
No.
No. Okay. Sir, what if I will change this one to uppercase letter and I want to test? Okay. EMPLOYE. Are you clear? I am running this one. What it is showing again? Employee is already existed. Means is it case sensitive, case insensitive?
Case
Case
sensitive.
sensitive.
Case insensitive. When it is case sensitive, it should create capital employee.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yes.
When it is case insensitive, means it doesn't show difference between uppercase letter and lowercase letter.
Okay.
Okay. Are you clear?
Yes.
So, employee. Now I cannot create the table if the table name is already existed. Okay. See, am I changing any code?
No.
No, same code. What I am changing? Just a query I am changing. Okay. Next one. For practice, again, I will write everything from the beginning. Okay. From next program
Okay.
onwards, I will update query only. So what is the next one? Insert record into database table. In a, we can call it as a relation also.
Okay.
Next, import MySQL dot connector. Next, what can I do?
Connect.
Connect.
Returns.
Con object equal to MySQL dot connector dot connect.
Connect.
Host equal to
Localhost.
localhost. Next, user equal to root.
Root.
password equal to empty, and database equal to online 2.
So,
Are you clear?
yeah.
Connection was established. Next step,
Cursor.
cursor. My cursor,
Equal to
my cursor equal to
cursor.
connection object dot
Cursor.
cursor. Are you clear?
Yes.
Cursor is created. What is my next job? I need to write information into the table or
Yes.
yes. So how can I do my SQL
SQL.
query? Hmm.
Insert.
Insert
Into
into, very good.
table name,
Table name.
This
employee,
table name, employee,
Employee.
space values,
values. What is the my first column?
ID.
employee ID, into
Employee ID. Which type it is?
In
Yesterday I have used DESC and table name or not? Description. But when I click on structure, it will give you the structure. Okay,
Okay.
right. So EID integer. So can I write in the quotes? No need.
No.
No. What is the next one?
Name.
Employee name.
Name.
So can I write in quotes or not?
Yes.
Yes. Which quotes recommended to write? Only single quote. Am I right or not?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes or no? I can write
Yes.
only single quote. But when I put single quote at here, your Python program consider this single quote has closed. It
Okay.
changes. So how can I change this one? I will write this one in double quote.
Okay.
Okay.
Here, when I change
Yes.
it, did you ask why I have changed this single quote to double quote?
Yes.
Especially MySQL is expecting single quote. But if I write this thing in single quote, the Python can change its meaning. Are you clear? To
Yes.
solve,
Yes.
I have used double quote and I am writing. Tell me one name.
Bharat.
Bharat. Next one. What is the third argument? Contact number. It
Contact.
is numeric value 98765432110.
6543210.
Right. Next one, date of joining. So can I write in quotes or not?
Yes.
So what is the data type?
Year.
4-digit year. Okay.
4-digit
So
year.
2023.
Colon.
Hyphen. Next,
Icon. Month.
month. Month means today this is February, May 31. Means 2 days back he was joined. Are you clear?
Okay. Yes.
Next one. What is the fourth argument? Salary I want to give. So his salary is 50,000. Okay.
Okay.
Next,
Yeah.
I am going to close this one and double quote has closed. Next, what can I do?
My cursor dot execute SQL.
My cursor dot execute and SQL query I am supplying. Then what is the message I need to convey? Record inserted successfully or not.
Yes.
Yes.
So CCESS success. And what I am doing, just I am going to run. So can you see record inserted successfully?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. This query is executed, but when you go and run this program database, you can't see the record. When I click on employee, can you see Bharat record?
No.
No.
No. I will reload for one more test. Is it? No, because you have conveyed to your my cursor to execute this one. Are you clear?
Yeah.
He did that operation, but it never write to your database until you give the commit. Okay,
Okay.
are you clear?
Yeah.
If you commit the operation, then what he did, it will be saved. Are you clear? If you do
Okay.
not commit, then that record cannot be saved. Sir, previously this was created by what, but what it is not performing because it is related to the record, one employee's information. Are you clear? Particular record you are creating so that you must commit this operation. Are you clear?
Yes.
On records, you must perform commit operation.
Okay.
So how can I commit? So what is the connection you have established? Connection object dot commit. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes. I am running this program. Record inserted successfully. And when I run this one, when I click on this one, I can see the record. Are you clear?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So is it commit is mandatory or not? So
Yes,
you
it
have to
is.
definitely use commit operation for update, for insert, for delete. Okay.
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 These queries is called as DML queries, data manipulation language.
Okay.
Okay. So this creating table is called as DDL commands, data definition commands. Okay. Are you clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Yeah.
DDL, DML commands we have. Okay. Next one, you need to apply commit operation and can I insert the same record one more time?
No.
No, because
No, we can't. Primary
Primary
key
keys.
which one is
Primary.
will be
primary key? I can write
500.
these all records. I can write this everything, but except this 500.
Yes.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Right. And when I run this one more time, it has reported one error that duplicate entry 500 key is a primary key. Is it conveying or not?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. What is the error? mysql.connector.error.integrity error. You have to handle this exception. Okay. Is it clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. So inserting is clear. What I did after insert? Update or not?
Yes.
Yes. So for update also commit is mandatory, but right now I am removing the commit. I want to change Bharat's salary from 50,000 to 60,000. Okay.
Okay.
Then tell me the query. Update.
Update set
Update table employee
employee
set.
set
Which one I need to change?
salary
Salary.
P salary equal to
Uh,
60,000
60,000
where
where
employee ID
employee ID equal
equal
to
to 500.
500. So if I do not write employee ID, what happens? All salaries will be changed to 60,000.
60,000.
But fortunately, I have only one employee in my database table. Only this will be affected, but it is not the good way. Okay.
Okay.
Yes. So I am going to run this one. I can see the e-salary. I did spell mistake. SALARY. And when I run this one, what is the column name I have given? Salary only.
Salary only.
So no is salary. When I run, you can see record update. Actually, it is updated. Updated successfully. And when I run, you can see record updated successfully.
Yes.
But is it affected at this place? Let me know. Is it affected?
No.
No, because I
Committed.
did not commit it. Okay. So connection object dot execute, and what can I do? This is no. What is that? Commit. Very clear.
Yes.
I am going to run this one. I can see update successfully, and when I go and update this one, can I see 60,000?
Yes.
Yes. Let me know, can I get any error when I re-execute this same program? I never get any problem because again it value set it to 60,000 only. Okay.
Okay.
Even I execute 1,000 times, it never give any error. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. But let me know what happens if I write like this. Salary equal to salary plus 100. What happened? Old salary plus 100 assigned to current salary.
Yes.
Okay. I equal to I plus 1 like that. For
Yes.
each execution, I can see the update. So I am executing one time. Okay. So when I reload, 60,100. When I execute one more time,
60,200.
60,200.
2 minutes.
Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So here you should take care while implementing the code or not.
Yes.
When this kind of operation is there, if unfortunately do this execution twice, you can see the update twice.
Okay.
Yeah.
So depending on your requirement, you can write like this, but avoid these kind of things.
Okay.
Okay. Is it clear? Now,
Yes.
again, it will be set to 60,000 again. Is it updated? Right.
Yes.
Is updated. Next one, delete. How can I write delete?
Delete.
Delete employee.
Delete. Very good. Employee. Where
Employee
ID
ID
equal
equal
to
to 500.
500. That's it. I will test whether commit is removed and whether it is working or not. Delete from employee. Okay. Yes.
Yes.
What is the message I should write? Record deleted.
Deleted successfully.
When I run, you can see record deleted successfully. And when I go and test this one,
No.
what happened? Why it is not deleted? Because I did not commit it. Okay.
Yes.
Connection dot object dot
Commit.
commit. When I run,
Spelling CONN OBJ.
when I run, record deleted successfully. I can check this one. Yeah,
Yes.
right. Let me know what happens if I run one more time. Did I get any error?
No.
No.
So what do you understand? If the query is correct, if the record is available, it will delete. If the record does not available, it won't delete. But there is no chance of returning any kind of error if no record is found. Okay,
Okay.
means 0 records will be deleted.
Okay.
Okay.
Yes.
Yes.
Sir, records is not available. Even I try to delete, which does not return any error. Don't consider like that. If record is not available, just ignore the query and convey that this was deleted successfully. Are you
Okay.
clear? But
Yes.
delete is also plays a major role. Okay, don't give, see, update delete operation generally cannot give for the unauthorized persons. Insert also.
Okay.
Okay,
Okay.
Yeah.
because they can change. They are the important things to the database. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Insert, delete, update, all were completed or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, so can we do this one like a application?
We can. Yes.
Yes. Okay, but here I will tell you how to do insert. So what I did, these all things are belonging to static only. I have given directly or not.
Yeah.
But how I want to execute, I will ask enter employee ID, employee name, employee contact number, employee date of joining, employee salary. I will take dynamically and I want to write. Who able to write this line? Developer can write. Are you
Yes.
clear? If I want to add one more line, can I ask and go to my developer and ask to insert this record? No, my user
No.
interface uh, is to what is that? Insert record or not?
Yes.
Yes. So what can I do? I will go for dynamic input. Okay. Right. Insert record into the table by collecting data from end user. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
So same program I will write. So instead of that, I will copy the code. What is my job? Insert or not?
Yes.
Right. So what I do, SQL connection and the data is created. But what I want to do, first I need to collect the data or not?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Yes. So employee ID. So employee ID integer type. So int of input, enter employee ID. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Next employee name. Employee name is string type. Enter employee name.
Yeah.
What is the third one? Employee contact number.
Right.
Something I did mistake. Started because this everything highlighting. Yes, this one. Contact equal to contact belonging to integer type. Input, enter. Do I need to write big int text here?
No.
No. Python is integer, but SQL is begin. Enter contact number. What another thing I am taking? Address and date of joining. So date of joining, how can I take it here? String type or not? I am writing that one in the course. So coming to here, it is string type. Are you clear?
Yes.
So input, enter date of joining. Okay. Next, anything to be supplied? Employee ID, employee name, employee contact number, employee salary. Salary equal to which type? Float type. Float type or not?
Yes.
Yes. Input, enter employee salary. Next, what are the data I have given? Using this, I need to make SQL query for insert operation. Are you clear or not?
Yes.
Did you remember formatting input? Did you remember this?
Yes. Yes.
So I use this type of notation. Instead of putting double quote, comma, double quote, instead of like that, I am preparing format. Insert into employee values. This is employee ID, comma, employee name, comma, employee salary, employee date of joining, some other thing. Are you clear?
Yeah.
What is the order? First one, employee ID. So what can I write? EID.
EID.
Next one, employee name. Should be
E
write
name.
in quotes or not?
Yes.
Yes. Use quote. Next, E name I am writing. Next one,
Contact.
contact. Next one,
Date
date
of
of
birth.
joining. Again, single quote. DOJ. Next one,
Salary.
salary. Okay. Right. Can I run next SQL query? What is the message? Record inserted successfully.
Okay.
So I am going to run this one. Is it asking me employee ID?
Yes.
Employee ID. No employees are there for 500. Employee name, Chandar. Employee contact number 987-654-3210. Employee date of joining 2023-01-01. Enter employee salary. Float of input. Sir, no?
Yeah.
Yes, I am running this code one more time. Employee ID 500. Employee name Chandar. Employee contact number 987-654-3210. Employee date of joining 2023 January 1st. Employee salary 50,000. Got inserted successfully or not? Did I write commit?
Yes, you
Commit is
did.
there. When I reload, I can see the record. Can I go for dynamic also?
Yes.
Yes.
Right. What can I do? Whose record you want to be deleted? I will give ID, then you perform delete operation.
Okay.
Okay, update operation. Whose record you want to be updated? Which one you want to be updated? Salary. So what do you write? Update employee set salary equal to new salary, where rule number equal employee equal to some rule. What are the details you take dynamically? employee ID, new salary.
Okay.
Are you clear?
Yes.
I want to increase 10% as salary for every employee in my organization. So will you take employee ID?
Sorry, I didn't
No.
get your question.
So I'm asking you to increase here as a organization chairman. I want to upgrade my employee salaries 10%.
Okay.
Okay.
So can I put where condition?
No.
No.
No. How can I write? Salary equal to salary plus
10%.
salary into 10%
10%.
divided by 100.
100.
Is it clear? Other
Yes.
words, just multiply with 0.1.
0.010.
0.1,
Yeah.
10 by 100. Yes or no?
Yes.
Then if I execute 2 times, what happened? This salary increased to 20%.
Yes.
Okay. If I execute that same program 3 times, salary incremented by 30%. Okay. So we will ask our clerk to execute that query 3 times. That's it.
30%.
30% is safe. Okay. So daily we
Yes.
go by bike. Immediately after 3 increments, I can go by car.
Yeah.
Yes or no? Yes.
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 Okay. So what are the things you should know while implementing this program? You should know the queries. Yes or no?
Yes.
If you know the query, you can do these all operations. So somewhere I did mistake. I copied somewhere else. Okay, just to see the labels. So for one label, another code is available. So for insert, there is a delete. Delete record from database table. What is this? Record updated. Always it is printed. Update record in database table. This is insert record into the database table. This is create a new table. This is for creating new database. All the things were available. It is dynamic. Inserting record
Yes.
into the table by collecting data from end user. Are you clear?
Yes.
So up to this, my content is completed to teach you. But additionally, I will tell you one more content to you. That is
Okay.
including HTML. I will interact with the HTML. I can see updates in my database table. Okay. So
Okay.
this is looks like a full what is that? Full stack developing. Now what we are
Okay.
doing? So Python and database is connecting so that you are seeing this kind of interface. Are you clear?
Yes.
But usually, can you see this kind of user interface in applications? No.
No,
See
we
here,
don't.
when you implement application, you can see like this. What is that? Online GDB. First classroom. Already logged in. If I want to create a new account, when I click on sign up, this is the form for creating a new user. Yes or
Yes.
no? Yes. When I fill and click on register button, record will be inserted. Is it like inserting record or not?
Yes.
Yes. Login is nothing but only selected student details are will be open. Employee ID, employee password I will click, and when I click on this login button, I want to see my interface. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
This type of application we will build for the coming class by using the CGI module. Which module?
CGI.
GI.
Common Gateway Interface. Are you clear?
Yes.
Yes.
Yes. Here you have to change the configuration. Can you see config?
Yeah.
What is
Yeah.
config? Yes. When you click on this one, it will show you 1 minute. PHP INI is there.
Yeah.
Yes. When I click on this one, it will open this this node page. You don't change anything at here. If you change one character, nothing will be work. Okay.
Okay.
This is the server configuration file where you type Control F. What is that? Dot PHP. PHP. This is. I will tell you where you have to control. Here you have to configure for Python programs. This is not. If you configure perfectly at here, using PHP program, you can send mail to the end user. Using programming, you can send the mails and that all, but you should have cloud communication. I will tell you where to update
Okay.
on next class.
Santosh, you just
Dhamma,
nothing.
Nothing.
you can leave. I will send this all queries.
Okay.
Okay.
You are my friend. Right now, good night.
Good night.
Good night. Thank you.
We are hello, 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 hello. Hello, Santosh. Hello, Santosh.
ఉపాసన గురించి నేను కూడా ఒక మాట చెప్పాలి. చెరకు చేసుకోవడం ఉపాసనకి ఎంత లక్కో మనందరికీ తెలుసు. కానీ ఉపాసన లాంటి పంచమ్మ చెరకు